here is the boat. This is one that's about the boat. Taking this out for a test drive as well today. On the last video where you guys saw this, we kind of saw a lot of projects, but I was saying how much you guys think this is worth. Funny thing, this thing's already sold. This is the same day that I'm testing the GPR SHO project, so you might see this a little bit in this video as well. But Rob does need to get his boat sold to clear some space in his garage for a superjet build. We're gonna head down to the boat ramp and test Rob's boat out and make sure it's ready to go.
Boys, we're at the boat launch and we got all sorts of good stuff going on. And I got the leather jacket. And I guess I'm gonna test out Rob's boat first. So I'm taking my cell phone and my wallet and my keys out of my pockets so that they don't get lost to sea.
I'll just push you off, park my truck.
Yeah, it's gonna float. Rob's concerned about it, but I am telling him I've ridden this engine before, so it'll be fine.
You know what my problem is I come from the 550 days.
Yeah, well
Every day at the launch
Here's the
ramp
thing,
was
we
highly stressful.
had a little bit of a convoluted start because
dead battery, my
the
fault.
dead battery, Rob's fault. But also petcock was not labeled, so we didn't know which direction to have it turned to, and so now it's in a position that runs, and yeah, so we got a battery that works in there now. So and I got my leather jacket on, my lucky leather jacket.
Lucky leather.
And so you guys are gonna see this. Heck yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm the guinea pig or the lucky duck, whatever you want to think of, but I don't have like good clothes for being wet right now, so that is my assurance that everything is going to be all right. Here we go. There's Josh's video that he's doing. And that's great. You can see that it's not just all about me today.
Hopefully the boat's gonna run. I should probably be helpful, take it off the line. Rob, I got it. You're just launching it?
Yeah, I want to bring it over here and look inside, make sure we don't have any major leaks of any kind, and then we'll fire
Start it up and see how it does under the water.
here, Josh.
Yeah.
In case there's a major leak we don't know about. This is the first time it's ever touched water.
Aha. Oh, that's a cool view.
Yeah?
I've heard some guys already bought this boat.
It's already sold.
Yep. They haven't even seen the video where we ask them how much it's worth.
Right. So let's do a visual here. That water was from rainwater.
It's not like it's super full of water or nothing.
It's leaking right here a little bit.
Out of a fitting for the cable.
Yeah.
Well, sounds like it works.
Actually, it's loose. I mean, that rested.
Ah. I'm gonna go run around and film him.
Yeah.
Okay, boys, here goes nothing. Looks like this does that. Okay, well, gotta get her warmed up. Get the cobweb, blow the cobwebs out.
Oh, I'm in way.
We gotta just do the Italian tune-up here.
Fire it right there.
looks like he's experiencing some sort of technical difficulties here. Oh, here we go, here we go. The camera lens all wet there. I'm not doing good announcing, but this reminds me of that James Bond film where he has the little boat. Well, boys, that's really quite something. That's really quite something. Holy cow.
So, this thing feels like it probably needs the 900 pump installed.
Which is good news because you wanted it anyway.
Because I needed it. And also, they have a little piece of poo and some of the fuel or the jetting.
Ah.
But that's kind of, you know, not hard on these carburetors.
Well, so far nobody's broken down, so for a test day,
Yeah, we gotta be happy.
it's pretty dang good.
You wanna drive it?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, if one of you fellers wants to take that out, I mean, just go for it.
Well, Rob's got boots on, so he could do it.
You can have my boots.
It won't fit me, probably.
These are pretty big.
Here, hold that bracelet.
Slip a foot in and just see.
All right, this is a boat segment.
Push it. You're gonna have to do this by yourself.
Oh, sure, no problem. Oh, I'm not that dexterous. Oh. Well, that's it, boys. Well, it was a good first test ride. Hey, where's the choke on this thing?
I don't know. I'll go ask Rob.
Okay. I ended up just drifting back to shore in the boat here, and that kind of ended our day of testing with this. Jacob and Rob took a look at it and ended up that all the exhaust bolts were loose, so it's just, you know, spraying water everywhere and getting water into the hot side of the exhaust. Obviously not the way we wanted a test day to go with the boat here. We're gonna have to go back, get it fixed up, and test it again. I guess I mentioned it a couple times on the video, or it was mentioned a couple times, that this boat actually already is sold. So basically we're at the point where we're trying to get it ready to go. It does suck that this boat is sold really before we got a chance to do more testing and take it out on the test track and whatnot, but at the end of the day we gotta keep going with new projects, and it just, this one had to go so Rob gets some space in his garage. Hopefully we'll get a little bit more testing with it before it goes to the new owner.
Guys.